Hello everyone and welcome back to the Techy channel. So in the last tutorial we saw how we can export this data and all everything. So now in this tutorial we can explore how we can optimize this code. So now here whatever things are this Excel instance is in. So this one we can delete this one. So instead of this one what I made, I created one new data table. So whatever data is available in my columns, I have created all everything here. So if you want you can delete this. Oh, not this one. Okay. Okay, whatever the columns are there, I created all the columns which is related, and here I added two columns which is called PDF file path and Excel file path as well. So as of now we only do the hyperlink for PDF file path. Excel file path I not did, so you can try from your side. So next thing is I can delete this range, so I will just select and I can make it as disable. Okay, disable action is not there, so I'm going to delete. So now those steps has been deleted. And similar way, when you come in downside here, so just go to these price tags, this and all should be let it be. So there is no issues. So we cannot do, they don't have any other option. So that's why leave it as it is. And the next one is here I design one hyperlink, because when I go insert data into the data table, it won't work directly. So that's why I created one more extra variable which we call Excel hyperlink, and it got created. Now whatever activities are there till here, so we can delete this one. So now my flow has been done. So only this is the thing which we can optimize from this. So now when I run this one, so it will run and it will take very less time to complete this entire thing. So let me put it here and I will start from here, and rest of the things whatever the files is there, so I it's created all the files, everything, it will be the same pattern. So I don't know it, I mean I not change anything. Okay, it opened properly, so that's fine, let it be. Okay, I will just put on the screen. Fine, no problem. For this, let us be no issues. I will close few files from here. Then it will delete all the things. Okay, deleted, everything is completed. Now I have the PDFs fully the same, so no issues with that. Now I will go back and run this automation, and this will take very less time and optimize the code. Lot of testing thing. So now why we are optimizing the code means, so a lot of the steps are there. It's easy. I mean it's very hard to understand each and every step. So now I optimize this code. Now we'll see how much time it will take. Now I think it will be very less only compared to earlier things. Now it's moving very fast, and every data is updating here. Still now 7 rows is already completed. Now it's moved to the 8th row. So inside I think we can see this. Okay, once this is complete, then only we can able to see thing. So now uh, when I see now the time is 11:03 minutes. So do you know how much time it will take? And inside here I added this stuff. So this is the stuff which I added. So the same thing in the update row is, so they I updated this syntax. So here we need to put the percentage outside, and this is my PDF file path name, everything I taken, and only this hyperlink which is you are able to see this one. This one I will make it as in the one variable. So from there it will take it. So now 8, sorry, 11:03 now. So till now, not even 1 minute till, so it's completed around 32. So this is a very fast, and we can see accuracy, and we can increase our time. I mean increase our time means our run time will be completely reduced to half of the things. Now it's came to 11:04 the time. So now it's 11:04. So let me increase this one, it may work. Okay, now it's almost in a minute approximately, it will take to 30-40 minutes. Just we can calculate of calculation here. Now the time is 11:05. So around it's taking 30 to 40 in between, and sometimes it will take very less as well. So anyway, this is the thing how we can optimize this. Now I will just pass this part. I will show what is the data is available in extract data table. So you can calculate from your side. So no issues. And when you check here, I have this all zip and I have this hyperlink. which is my formula. So I need to update the same thing in Excel. So that's why I take it as here hyperlink. So when I run this end to end, so it will take some time to do that. So I will just stop this bot, and this is a way how we can do optimize from this side. And still, if you have any doubts, post your comments on the comment section. And one thing I not updated here, PDF file one, so I not updated, so you can just check from your side as well. So when you see, okay, PDF is updated, but Excel file is I'm not updated because I was not extracted data from the Excel set. So that's why you can do from your side. And finally, thanks for watching.